Hey guys, it's Joey. I want to show you guys something here. This is my 941 Osborne, and I had a problem with it sticking. It was sticking. So what I did was I took it apart. I took the washers out and I buffed them with a Dremel, cleaned it all up, cleaned the pivot, put it back together. Now, my finger's at the very tip. There's no, not even a rock, it's just solid. What's this? I got that nice and tuned in. Oh, and I also started sharpening my knives with the there I am with the Workshop field and not the field and guide, the guided one, the cheaper one. It was like $40, $30, and I put away the electric machine, and this I took from a 17-degree angle, which comes out of the factory. I put a 20 on it, and it shaves, and I'm surprised it'll shave the hair off my leg, because I'm not a great sharpener at all, but this is a difficult steel to sharpen, they claim, but I really had no problem with it, and I'm real happy with this. Look at this. Like I said, that's tight. Well, I'm pretty happy. As you guys can tell, I never got a tripod yet. I put the mini clip from the bug out. Yeah, she's working good. Anyway, guys, let me pick my camera up and call it a wrap. Take care.